Now, from Into Tomorrow, this is an ITTV special report.
Our first guest this hour is from a company that offers digital entertainment products that are revolutionizing the 3D audio world, and I promised you they get creative. They are, in fact. He is the Vice President of Corporate Communications for Creative Labs, Phil O'Shaughnessy. Phil, welcome back Into Tomorrow. How are you?
I'm very well, Dave. Thanks for having me.
It's always a pleasure because you guys bring creative things, fun stuff to talk about, introducing a whole new product here at IFA this year. So before we get into some of the other goodies, tell us about this.
Yes, indeed. As usual, Dave, never a dull moment at Creative. Our audio scientists and engineers have been very busy introducing a product at IFA called the Sound Blaster Recon 3D. Now, this product contains the world's first quad-core audio processor.
Wow.
Yes, so we have a very powerful new processor that is also extremely energy efficient. That means we can actually run this product on USB power, something that could not be accomplished before. What that means is you now have Sound Blaster audio quality, certainly for the Mac and the PC, but also for the PlayStation 3, the Xbox 360, maybe you even want to play on the Wii. And you have all of the audio capabilities that were previously only available with an add-in sound card on the PC.
And I'm noticing the mode button here on the side that says PS3, Xbox, PC. So you've got all this capability. And on the other side, a mic controller as well for low, mid, and high. But you were telling me off the air before the show that it's not just a microphone.
Oh, yes.
This will allow some pretty cool gameplay, huh?
That's right. In addition to the great audio playback quality, we have something called crystal voice technology, which gives you not only crystal clear audio when you're in voice communications, but some fun elements as well, something we call voice effects. So you can customize your voice. Perhaps you're an orc or a village elder in a certain game. Or perhaps you just want to have a little bit of fun and change your gender in-game. You can certainly fool your teammates, enemies, and, well, whoever else happens to be listening.
So you're in the middle of gameplay and you decide now you're a girl, and you're going to see how your opponents react to that.
Yes, it always draws quite a reaction.
Yes, exactly. Now tell me about some of the controls here. I'm seeing THX. It's also Dolby Digital, and just talk to me about the things that it can do otherwise.
That's right. This powerful chip processes THX True Studio Pro audio technologies. And what that is it's a suite of technologies, actually. It takes compressed audio and restores the highs and lows that are lost. It enhances the bass. It brings out the voice that sometimes is lost in a game or even in a movie. It normalizes sound when you get some peaks and some lows. It really does a lot of great things for the audio playback. And again, the hardware acceleration really makes this possible. There is another element you're seeing there on the dial, and that is called Scout Mode. That is very much like bionic hearing is the best way I could describe it.
Really?
Say you and I are in a game map together. Well, I can hear you well before you can hear me if I press Scout Mode, which gives me the competitive advantage in gaming.
Yes, and anything and everything that you can do in gaming to be competitive, that's what it's all about.
That's right. I mean,
love Scout Mode.
That's right. I mean, at Creative, we really believe that if you can actually hear your opponent before you see him or her, then you have a great advantage in game.
And if this is the 3D USB audio device called Recon,
Yeah.
which right away gives it that gaming feel. So you guys obviously had some fun coming up with the name. And, of course, a Sound Blaster item, you know it's going to work well, so that's kind of neat. But the fact that you also have Dolby Digital involved in this thing, too, is there's a lot of electronics in this.
There really are. And, you know, it's terrific for music and movies, too, not just games. So it's a comprehensive audio device, to say the least.
Have you priced it yet? And you're announcing it here at IFA. Is it available soon?
It'll be available in October,
Very good.
We've priced it at $129 US. But one of the things you might have also noticed about this device is it has a wireless card here at the end called the Tactic Link. This Tactic Link enables the Sound Blaster Recon 3D to work perfectly with our new Sound Blaster Tactic3D Omega wireless gaming headset.
Which is awesome. It's a very cool headset, of course, with a little gooseneck microphone, so that you're really into gameplay and talking to your components and challenging them and doing everything you need to do. And it connects wirelessly. So if you're like most gamers, you don't want to be tethered literally to anything. You want to be able to move around and jump and get back, get a drink, come back to the game, whatever you need to do.
That's right. And we're going to bundle these two together. So whereas the Tactic3D Omega headset is $199, perfect for Mac or PC, when you put it together with the Sound Blaster Recon 3D and your Tactic Link wireless card, for $249, you get both, and you get the wireless card, and now you have cross-platform, wireless, Sound Blaster hardware accelerated audio.
Awesome. And of course, you're talking U.S. dollars, so I don't have to worry about converting
Yes,
from
I
euro
am.
or something.
I've been converting all week. It's
Yes.
nice to talk in U.S. dollars.
Now,
yes.
the headphones are available now?
They will be available this month.
Oh, okay.
It's early in September, so I can get away with saying that and actually have it happen. Yeah,
Exactly. But otherwise, both as a bundle next month.
that's correct.
And again, October, depending on when you're hearing the podcast or hearing it again as a reminder. So we're looking for October. Some pretty neat items here and this is just some of the gaming kinds of things that you guys can help with anyway.
Absolutely. We're still doing the add-in sound cards as well. Those will also be powered by our new Soundcore 3D audio processor.
Now, these headphones, for example, not just for gaming. I'm imagining folks can use them with Skype. They can use them just on their computer and get some great quality sounds. And the fact that they're wireless, can you also be playing music through them otherwise?
And I do that regularly. The mic is detachable, so this makes a terrific music headset. I use it for Skype on international calls. It's very versatile. This is really all you need.
Good. I thought I might have broken it when I pulled the mic off. So I'm glad to know it's supposed to be that way. Check them all out at creative.com. Phil, as always, a pleasure to have you with us on the show. And every time you come, you bring more cool new things. So keep making the items. Keep being how clever creative.
Indeed we will. Thank you, Dave, and thank you, all of you, Into Tomorrow listeners.
Very good. Thank you, sir. IntoTomorrow.com. You'll see the video of all the things that we're talking about here, including Phil showing the goodies, among other things, and all of our guests from IFA Berlin. We're back with more from IFA. I'm Dave Graveline. Into Tomorrow continues on the Advanced Media Network.